You can get your subscribers in 24 hours or less. If you want 100 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, 10,000 subscribers, 100,000 subscribers, or even 1,000,000 subscribers, you can get the subscribers in 24 hours or less with this method I'm going to show you today. And these subscribers are real subscribers. They are not bot subscribers. One thing you should know is I will never tell you or share a video on this channel telling you to get bot subscribers, because bot subscribers will ruin your channel. If you get bot subscribers on your channel, YouTube can take down your channel in a minute. So whatever advice you get on this YouTube street, never get bot subscribers on your channel. So this method I'm going to show you, you're actually going to be getting real subscribers. Now, before I go on to show you this method, I want to tell you the advantage and the disadvantages of getting this kind of subscribers. The advantage, of course, you're going to get the amount of subscribers that you want in the fastest and easiest time possible. Good. Now to the disadvantage. The disadvantage to this kind of subscribers is that they are only there to subscribe to your channel. They are not subscribers that are interested in the kind of video you upload on your channel or even in the videos you upload. Another disadvantage is you're going to be having this high subscriber count but very low views because your subscribers are not interested in your content. Remember what I always tell you, for you to be able to get your monetization, you need your watch time. So what is the use of getting subscribers that will not give you watch time? And for you to be able to make money on YouTube, it also depends on the watch time on the art of your videos. And the only people who will be interested in watching art on your videos are people who are interested in the kind of content you upload on your channel, which of course, these your subscribers are not interested in watching your videos. Like I always say, stop chasing after subscribers, but chase after your watch time. When people are interested in watching your videos, they will definitely want to come back. And if they want to come back, they have to subscribe and they have to click on the notification. So if you're bothered about your watch time, then this watch time or the audience that watch your videos will definitely subscribe to your channel, which means that the subscribers you'll be having are subscribers that are interested in the kind of content that you upload. But it all depends on you. What is your priority? Is it the subscriber count or is it the watch time count? So I'm going to share this method with you so that you can make your choice either to get this kind of subscribers or not. But remember, these are real subscribers. The only people that I can advise to use this method to get subscribers are those who are still thinking of starting out on YouTube or those who have just started. Now, why do I want to advise you to use this method to get the subscribers? Because the fastest way for you to get to your monetization is for you going on a live stream. And for you to be able to unlock live stream on your mobile, you need 50 subscribers for you to do that. So I'll advise you, if you're about to start out or you've just started out and you don't have up to 50 subscribers, then you can use this method to get your 50 subscribers. You start going on a live stream and then attracting your real audience. So make a choice. If you want to get your subscribers like this, good. If you don't want to get your subscribers like this, then you are working on the good food. So you guys all know how we do it on this channel. Go to the comment section and network with every content creator that you see out there. I mean, do your network well and in the right way. So if you're new on this channel, it means you don't know how we do it. So I'm going to tell you, of course. Click on any content creator you see on the comment section. Go to their channel and watch at least 3 of their videos till the end. You comment on that video and your comment should be related to the video you're watching, and also like and subscribe on that person's channel. The person will do the same for you. So if you see 100 people in the comment section, connect with them all. If you see no one on the comment section, drop your comments. Then you come back here after 24 hours, you would see people rushing to connect with you. We also have our channel links on the comment section. Go and click right there and join us on WhatsApp, on Telegram, and on Instagram. These channels are made up of content creators who want to grow aggressively and in the right way. So you can connect with them on the comment section or you join the channel. That being said, let me show you the method that will give you the subscriber count you want as fast as possible. So here is the platform that will give you your subscriber count as fast as in the next 24 hours or even less, depending on the amount you want. Now, I'm going to show you this very fast. I don't want us to waste time on this video because I know some of you are so hungry to implement this method and get your subscribers. Now, right here, just click right here where you see the three dots, just like so. You're going to see Overview, Task Center, Wallet, Invite, Support, and You Create Task. Below you have payment and you also have upgrade. Now let's go directly to how you can do to get your subscribers right here. So what you have to do here is to click on the three dots on the left hand side. Below where you see create task, you click on it just like so. And here we have new task, step 1 of 3, start campaign. And below where you see select category, click on it just like so. Just give it a minute. Now we have here social media, mobile application. I want to create my own task, vote, music, and review. Click on social media engagement just like so. Now below here you're going to see platform. You click on the platform, select platform, because there are different platforms you can actually get subscribers for. Now let's click here on YouTube for those of you who are looking for subscriber count on YouTube. Now below here you see next. You click on next just like so. Where is this campaign? What should freelancers do? You click right here on select, give it a minute, add my own task, comment on a YouTube, like a YouTube video, premium content, subscribe to my channel. Now there are different tasks you can do right here. So click right here on subscribe to my channel just like so. Right here, click on next, just like so. And this is our step 3 about the campaign. We have provide the link. So what you do is to go to your channel. Let me show you how you can copy your channel link, because right here you have to put your channel link, right? Because people have to click on the link and go to subscribe on your channel. So let me show you how you can copy your channel link to put it right there. So come right here to YouTube and you click below where you see your YouTube channel name, where you see you, just click on it like so. And right here, you click at the top of your channel name. And at the top right hand side, you're going to see these 3 dots. You click on the 3 dots just like so. You would see share. You click on share. Below here, you're going to see copy, quick share, and QR code. So just click on copy link. Now, when you're done copying the link, you come back right here and you paste your link right here just like so. Now you have your channel link right here. Below here, you have to type in your channel, your username. Let me show you your username. Right here, this is my channel, Solving YouTube Problems. That is my username. So I will come right here where I see username, Solving YouTube Problems. Just like so. Let me go back to my channel so you can verify, you see. Solving YouTube Problems, and right here we also have solving YouTube problems. Now below here they're going to ask you, how many freelancers do you need? So what you do right here is to put in the amount of freelancers you want. How many subscribers are you looking for? Now, if you're looking for 1,000 subscribers, you put right here 1,000 subscribers. And they have here, they say the least amount of freelancers you can actually use is 200 freelancers. So which means the least amount of subscribers you have to apply for is 200. So if you need 1,000,000 subscribers, you put right there 1,000,000. If you need 1,000, you put 1,000. If you need 10,000, you put 10,000. Remember what I said at the beginning of this video. These are actually real subscribers. There are people who have social media accounts, who have YouTube accounts that are actually subscribing to your channel. The only thing is they are not interested in watching your videos. They are freelancers. They are online workers. They are working their money. So you're going to pay them to subscribe to your channel. It's not for free. They are not doing this for free. There are also online hustlers that are struggling to make money, and they want you to pay them to render you the services you're looking for. So if you have the money to buy them or to pay them to subscribe, 1,000,000 of them, you're going to have them. If you want 100,000 of them, they will be right there to subscribe to your channel. But like I said, the disadvantage of this is they are not interested in watching your videos. You can have 100,000 of them, but you will post your videos and you will still be struggling with your view count. And remember, it's not subscriber count that gives you money. It is the amount of views on the ads on your videos that will give you money. And for you to get monetization, it is not only about the subscribers. The most difficult part is your watch hours, which is 4,000 watch hours. And if you're getting subscribers that are not watching your videos, then it's as good as you are starting out as a beginner. Now, let's go ahead with this. So, right here, you put the number of count. Let's say, for example, 1,000. I'm going to put this so you should imagine the amount of money you need for the subscriber count you want. Now, let me put 1,000 subscribers right here. We go to next. Right here, we have category, social media, engagement. We have platform, YouTube, job processing fee is 200. You're paying this app 200 naira for doing this or giving you these freelancers. Now below here we have number of subscribers, which is 1,000. The cost is 35,200. So if you're ready to spend 35,200 to get 1,000 subscribers, amazing for you. Now let's take a million, or let's say 10,000. I think we should do that at 10,000. Now 10,000, we go to next. For you to be able to get 10,000 subscribers in less than 24 hours or 24 hours, this is 350,200 naira. Amazing. I mean, of course, it's fast, it's easy. What did you do? You just paid them and they did this job for you. And the way this app is laid out, these people cannot receive your money when they have not subscribed. They are going to subscribe before this app will actually pay them the money. Although what you have to do before is to load your account with the money, and then you can now launch this app. I can't go further with this because I don't have money. I don't buy this kind of subscribers because these subscribers are not helping my channel in any way. Now, when you're done with that, all you have to do right here is do confirm and check out. See what they're going to show me. Not enough funds because I don't have the funds for this. Okay? So, if you're ready to get this kind of subscribers, the link is on the comment section. It's also on the description. Click on that link, go to this platform, and you buy these subscribers. Remember, most of these subscribers are very intelligent. Some of them will actually subscribe, but when this platform has paid them, they will return back to your channel to unsubscribe. That's why some of you will be like, I had 100 subscribers, I came back the other day and I had just 75 subscribers. Because obviously, some of them are not sincere with what they are doing. So they just subscribe for the money, and when they get the money, they go there and unsubscribe. Now, I've given you the advantage and I'm also giving you the disadvantage. Because I am a coach, I've been able to grow 18 different channels from scratch to monetization. So I know exactly what I'm talking about. The disadvantage of this, you would see the effect when you are struggling with your videos, with your view count on your videos. When they are not watching and you're seeing the amount of subscribers, but they are not watching, it will really disturb your mental health. But like I said, I know you guys are going to choose what is best for you. You either go this way and get 50 subscribers, start going on your live stream and getting your real subscribers, or you do this and you keep struggling with your channel. Exactly. See what we have right here. Request failed, insufficient balance, fund your wallet, and order again. All right, I'm just going to click on OK because I don't want to do this. It's for the illustration because a lot of you have been like, is there no way, Claudia? I want another way. I want another way. I really do not want to tell you a way that's not going to help you, but I still have to say it so that you can make your own choice. Now, I'm going to show you how you can actually get your watch hours using the same platform as fast as possible. So make sure you've subscribed to this channel and your notification bell is turned on so that when I upload that video, you too will be able to know how you can get your watch hours using this platform. And I'm also going to tell you the advantage and the disadvantage of doing that. Remember, go to the comment section and network with every content creator you see right there, and also go to our channels and network with every content creator you see right there. And do not forget, let me know the problem you're facing on your YouTube channel, and let me also know if you've implemented any of those strategies, the results you've had from that. I love you all. Until next time, keep searching and never give up on whatever you do. Bye.